This is a wonderful recipe for carrot cake. Trust me, no one will know they're eating gluten-free, and it's even better the second day. So here are your ingredients. You want to begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. In a small bowl, stir together your dry ingredients. That's brown rice flour mix, not brown rice flour, but brown rice flour mix. So I do have a separate video for that, along with the baking soda, salt, xanthan gum, and cinnamon. Then in a large mixing bowl, beat together your eggs, sugar, buttermilk, and oil, and beat it with an electric mixer until smooth. Then add your flour mixture, starting at low speed until blended. Add your carrots, pineapple, pecans, coconut, and vanilla. Then mix that until it's well combined. And then you'll want to generously spray 3 9-inch round cake pans generously with baking spray. Pour your batter into the pans. And bake 25 to 30 minutes or until a tester comes out clean. At this point, we're going to make our cream cheese frosting. So here are your ingredients. You're going to add them with about half of the powdered sugar to your mixing bowl. Start it on low speed, and then add your remaining powdered sugar. Start it low and then beat until smooth. Place your frosting in the refrigerator until your cake is ready to be frosted. Remove the cakes from the oven and cool them on wire racks about 5 minutes before you remove them from their pans. Once you remove the cakes from their pans, let them cool completely before you frost them. Then frost. And you're ready to serve. I hope you enjoy this heirloom recipe that I converted to gluten-free. There's more on the way, so please hit subscribe.